In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle emails and activities in Monday.com, ensuring you streamline your communications efficiently. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Monday.com. This platform is your go-to for managing projects and tracking the progress of your tasks efficiently. Once there, click on the Login button. Here, you have the option to log in via Google, which is a quick and secure way to access your account. Select Google, choose your account, and you'll find yourself on the Monday.com dashboard in no time. Next step, you need to navigate to your contacts board or the list of your leads. This is where all your essential contacts are stored, and it's the starting point for managing your email communications directly on Monday.com. Now the action begins. Locate the contact or lead you wish to communicate with and click on their email address. By doing this, you open the email composing interface directly within the platform, so there's no need to switch to another email service. This integration saves time and keeps everything organized in one place. Once you're in the composing window, start crafting your email. Begin by writing a clear and concise subject line. This helps in setting the context for your recipient and makes it easier for them to prioritize the email. In the message body, clearly state the purpose of your communication. Use a friendly tone, stay on point, and ensure the call to action, if any, is noticeable. Crafting an effective email not only ensures clear communication, but also strengthens professional relationships. After drafting your email and reviewing it for errors or missed information, the next step is simple. Click on Send. This sends your email directly from Monday.com, keeping it recorded as part of your activity log. One of the great benefits of using Monday.com for your email activities is the ability to view your email activity history. To do this, head back to your contacts page. Here, you'll find a handy record of all your communications with each contact. To dive deeper into the details, click the enlarge icon next to their name. This section provides a comprehensive view of both incoming and outgoing emails. It's a powerful feature that aids in tracking communication history and ensures you never miss a follow-up. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to manage emails and activities within Monday.com, keeping your communications organized and accessible. With practice, this process becomes second nature, helping you maintain an efficient workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing on Monday.com.